Muskoka here, going live on location. So today I'm in front of Muskoka Juniors hockey rink, freezing my patootie off. Gonna open up a few of these surprise hockey bags. Doesn't get more Canadian than this. Out on a pond. The rink is actually covered in snow right now, but let's see what we get. Superstar pack, original goalie pack, the 90s, and pro set. And I'm gonna keep this quick, folks, because you probably can hear on the camera that the wind is blowing a little bit. So hopefully I don't get these cards all wet. So we got Evgeny Malkin. That's a nice card. Daniel Zubris, Sean Chambers, and Andrew Ladd. Put that down there. And our goalie pack is Freddie Brathwaite, Curtis McElhaney, Jim Carey, always loved him, and Mike Liut. And oh geez, that went into the snow. Hopefully that's not a good rookie. Never is, but with my luck, it is a good rookie. Oh Jesus Christ. Rick Zombo, I just saw the back of it. Peoria, Fedosov, Mike Ricci, Steve Larmer, and sure enough, the one that fell in the snow is the Nicholas Lidstrom rookie. Try to dry it off here. Hopefully it's got enough gloss that it doesn't get damaged. But that's the one that fell in the snow. Good old Canadian luck here. Alrighty. And the pro set. We got Chris Chelios, Norman Lacombe, the Stars, Todd Gill, Brad Delgarno, Mark Osborne, Buck Berger, Curtis Joseph, that's his rookie card I think, Martin Hostak, Semenov, Dennis Potvin, Terry Murray, Reichel, Wilkinson, Chevelday, and that last one, whatever it is. Alright. And we're going to do, I think we're just going to do one more. I have three with me. It is a little blistery here. And the wind is picking up. So we'll see. So this one's got 1,000, 8 official trading cards, goalie pack, and this one's got pro set. So bear with me, folks. As you can see, everything's getting covered in snow here. By far the most dangerous rip I've ever done. Okay, so in our goalie pack, we have future stars of Francois Tremblay. We got Mark Denis, that's a nice little card, a little shine there. Craig Anderson and Peter Sidorkowitz. I'll try to get this 1,000-point blue one open. We got Justin Falk, Eric Weinrich, Brian Bellows, and Paul Coffey. That's a sweet one. That'll go into my PC of Mr. Coffee. And keep the battery going here. There's Antoine Vermette, Red Wings card, Sergio Momesso, Alfredson, and David Savard. Oops, sorry for the wobbliness. Do the pro set back here. Oh man, I don't know if you guys can see the wind picking up there in the back. Eric Weinrich, Bob Kavelski, Todd Gill, Daniel Mirwald, Eric Weinrich, Tikkanen, Dirk Graham, Doug Bodger, Mike Gardner, Pat Verbeek, Dave Ellett, Dale Howardchuk, sorry, Gord Murphy, Ron Hextall, and Pat Verbeek. And you know what, folks? We're going to get adventurous here. We got the last pack. I've frozen my slap nuts here, and we're going to rip it open. And we got sleeves or top loaders and 3 packs, which is good because that means less for me to open and the faster I can get out of here. In the 90s we have, what's that? him. Mike DeCarl, L.I. Frady, Gary Curry, Hall of Famer, and the franchise of Kevin Hatcher, and then a Calder candidate of Reggie Savage. And we got the 4 cards, 1 guaranteed Hall of Famer. Oops. And we got a Matthew Perreault, take the snow off, all good. Of course, I wouldn't do this as expensive cards. Mark Tenorti, Stevie Yzerman, there's our Hall of Famer there for sure, folks. There you go. And Jeff Reese, who I just sent a TTM to. I'm hoping that we'll get it back sometime soon. And the last one here is Mike McPhee, Mike Camilleri, two of them stuck together, Gilbert Dion, Yannick Perreault, and I forgot he played there. He did start his career with the Leafs, and Russ Cortnell. So let's go with the card collector here. Hopefully you enjoyed this cold and blustery rip. Come to